In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an e-commerce website step by step. I will specifically show you how to create an e-commerce website using WordPress. And don't worry if you are new to WordPress, because I'm going to hold your hand every step of the way. This website we'll be building has a hero section with a call to action that when you just click, it will take them to the shop page of the website. New arrival section, category section, popular product section, a section to display yourself as the CEO of the business, a section for blog posts, newsletter sign up section that you can use to collect email addresses of your clients, and also a sales section. So if a user lands on your website and choose any of your products like this one, they can go ahead and add it to the cart, view the cart, proceed to checkout, then they go ahead and fill in their details, and the client will get free shipping if he's coming from northern region. So I go ahead and place the order, and my order is being placed. As a client, I will receive an email with regards to this order, and the owner of the website will also receive an email with regards to this order. In this video, I'll show you how to add two kinds of products. I'll show you how to add a simple product that your clients can just buy as it is. I'll also show you how you can add a variable product where your client can choose options like color and also size. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully customizable e-commerce website that you can use to start making sales right away. And to create this e-commerce website, we are going to use only free resources. The only thing you need to pay for is a domain name and a web hosting, which is a standard for every website. So if you want to learn how to make this beautiful e-commerce website, keep watching.